Hello friends, I Purushottam Maurya welcomes you on this A to Z Exam Guru YouTube platform. Today we will discuss about how to find the inverse of any matrix. So first of all, let us see. If any matrix is given to you of 3 class 3 order or higher order, then first of all find the cofactors of the given matrix. And let's see. So I have written this because in the previous lecture I have told you about how to find adjoint of matrix. So in this step only one step ahead. So I have not dropped this. So let us see. I have written the cofactor notation notation form of matrix, right friends? And so find the each factor for respective position like a11, a12, right? A13, A31, A21, and like that. And by doing this, you will got the respective element, right? So this matrix is framed by cofactors of the given matrix, and take a transpose of this, right? And you will get the adjoint of matrix given matrix. So it is a transpose of this. And what is transpose? You will change the row into columns simply. And now for to finding the inverse, one more thing you to find. What is determinant of matrix? Determinant of matrix. And how you will find it denoted by modulus sign, right? So what you will do? Matrix is 1 2 3 2 2 3 1 and 3 1 2. It is given as equal to 1 2 3 and 2 3 1 and 3 1 2, right? 2 3 1 3 1 2 2 3 1 3 1 2, right friends? And now let us solve it. So you multiply 1, and for 1 remove this and multiply this. So 6 minus 1, and write negative sign, it is a convention, so write it. And remove this and this, it is 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, right friends? For this you will remove this and this, 4 minus 3, and write 3 with this and this, 2 minus 9. You will get 5, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 1, it is minus 2, and it is 3, 2 minus 9, it is minus 7, and it is minus 21, right? So simply 3, and if 3 will go minus 18, right friends? The modulus is 18. And for finding the inverse, one more condition is that the modulus never be 0. So it is not 0, so inverse can be find out easily. And inverse equal to 1 upon determinant into adjoint of that matrix. And we have to find the adjoint. So 1 upon minus 18 over there, and the adjoint of our matrix we have simply write it there, right? So it is 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1 minus 7 minus 1 minus 7 5 minus 7 5 or minus 1 minus 7 5 and 1, right friends? So this is the inverse of this matrix, and I hope that it is clear to you. Once again I will repeat the whole process. For finding the inverse of given matrix, first of all you should determine the determinant of the given matrix. It should not be equal to 0, right friends? It should not be equal to 0. If it's 0, then its inverse cannot be found, first thing. And second thing, you have to start from over there. Find the cofactor matrix of the given matrix and calculate the respective element position, and then transpose it, and the transposition of the given matrix is called the adjoint of matrix, and whatever the determinant is, divide it, and simply you will get the inverse of the given matrix. So friends, I hope that this will be clear to you, and if this lecture helps you, then subscribe the A to Z Exam Guru YouTube channel for the coming lectures, and write your comment in comment box. That's why we will make it more useful for you people, and share this channel to your friends also, because they will also get the benefits from the classes. And thank you students for watching this lecture. We will meet in very next lecture. Thank you so much.